Hey there, if you don't want any notifications from your Galaxy Store, uh, so how you can do it? I will show you step by step how you can do it very easily. First, open your Galaxy Store. Then, after opening it, you will see an option menu in the bottom right corner. Just tap on it. Then you will see a gear icon on the top right. Tap on it. Scroll down a little bit and you will, in the general section you will see an option notifications. Tap on it. Then tap on Galaxy Store. Now you cannot disallow notifications from here, so what you have to do, go to Galaxy Store. Then you will see a three dot icon. Then just tap on uninstall updates and then tap on OK, and it will be disable your Galaxy Store, and your Galaxy Store notifications will be off. And that's how you can turn off your Galaxy Store notifications.